Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ring Doorbell easy install step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all the necessary components included with your Ring Doorbell. Ensure you have the Ring Doorbell, mounting bracket, screws, and the user manual. If you're using a wired Ring Doorbell, turn off the power to your doorbell at the circuit breaker. Next, remove your existing doorbell if you have one. Use a screwdriver to detach it from the wall, and disconnect the wires gently. If you're installing a battery-operated Ring Doorbell, skip this step. Once your old doorbell is removed, use the included mounting bracket to position the Ring Doorbell. Hold the bracket against the wall and mark the drill holes with a pencil. Drill holes in the wall at the marked spots, ensuring they are level. Now, attach the mounting bracket to the wall using the provided screws. For wired installations, connect the wires from your wall to the terminals on the Ring Doorbell. Make sure the wires are securely fastened and that there are no loose strands. If you're using a battery-operated model, insert the battery into the device. Once the doorbell is mounted and connected, press the button on the front to turn it on. Download the Ring app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen prompts to add your Ring Doorbell to the app. Ensure your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi network you want your doorbell to use. The app will guide you through connecting your doorbell to your Wi-Fi. Once connected, you'll see a live view of your front door on your smartphone. Test the doorbell by pressing the button and checking for notifications on your phone. Finally, adjust the camera angle if necessary for the best view of your entryway. Congratulations! Your Ring Doorbell is now set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.